Ah! Oh my god!
Oh shit!
Oh fuck!
Fuck!
That dude just fucking hit us. Holy fuck!
Get the fuck out of me, dude. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know, dude. Some dude almost hit us.
Fucking at Pizza Hut and shit?
Yeah, dude. Some dude just almost hit us. Did you see that car, Scott?
Oh man, not for real? You serious?
Scott, did you see that car?
You'd be way more mad, dude, if he got his car.
No, some dude almost hit us. Did you see that?
Yeah.